This snow thrower has a broken shear pin on this side. You know how I know that? Watch my other video. But this side doesn't rotate, and this side does. Thankfully, all we need to fix it is one of these guys. The hardware store was about $350 or something like that. If you're not sure what part you need, your model number is going to be right here or someplace like it. So I'm going to try to zoom in here and see where that pin is. It's kind of camouflaged because the shaft of the pin is, you know, sheared off like the name implies, and it's kind of hard to see. So I got to rotate it. See, it's right about there. So I'm just going to see if I can push that out. There we go. So at this point, you just need a couple 1/2-inch wrenches, or 13 millimeters will do. Or adjustable. So you do not need to torque this down tight at all. All right, and there we go. So it's tight, but you can still kind of rotate the entire bolt. And it looks just like the other side in terms of the depth of the nut and everything like that. And there you have it, ready for the next storm.